All right, welcome to the Conversion Pros overview. In this video, we're going to show you, we're not going to show you all the tools, but we're going to show you one of our main tools, which is a capture page creator and landing page creator and how easy it is. So before I get started, if no one sent you the testimonials video, you need to take a look at that. You're going to see tons of people that are having tons and tons of success using this system. So don't take our word for it. Take the word of actual customers. And so make sure you watch that video. But let me get into it. As you scroll down in your back office, you see that we have tons of tools here. The one I'm going to focus on right now is our capture page creator. So I'm just going to go click on this. I'm going to show you that it's basically 3 steps to setting up a page. There's 0 technical skills whatsoever. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the add button. And then when you click on the add button, you see there's templates. So we have non-video templates, and then we have video templates. Now, some of our video templates too are 2-button templates, where if you want to have an action, for example, go to you do a video, maybe you're in a weight loss and a travel deal, where you can say, well, click on the button to the left, and it'll take you to weight loss. Click on the button to the right, and it'll take you to travel. Or if you have 2 different actions, so you can do that as well. I'm going to show you kind of both pages here, what you could do, but I'm just going to start with one of our basic pages. So I'm just going to click here, and then again, you can actually scroll through our templates and see all the templates that we have. I'm going to click on Start Editing now, and you're going to see there's no technical skills whatsoever. So what we're going to do is name the page as Web Overview and Web 20. Okay, then a couple different things here. First thing is you're going to have to click on your background because you want to figure out what your background wants to look like. Okay, so what we do here is click on background. What we have is image galleries, and we have about every single industry that you could ever think of that sells any product, any service, because this works with anything. I mean, absolutely anything you could think of here. Since 2017 is coming up, let's look at weight loss, for example. We have a bunch of weight loss pages already set up, so you can look through here. And let's say you like this one. All you do is click on it. And the minute you click on it, it becomes the background of the page. So it takes you literally 2 seconds to do that. Now, to edit the text here, well, first of all, before I edit this text, we also added a feature where you can change this background blocks. For example, let's say I wanted it red. And you can even change the opacity to it. So you can literally make pages however you want to stand out, okay? Or you can have pretty much nothing at all there. Or you can change it to black, or if you wanted to change it to, let's say, green, watch this, you can do that. So we give you very, very customability of the background page. I kind of like the way it is playing right now. Maybe I'll just make it a tad darker there and hit close once I got my change. Now what you're going to do here is you could edit this text. So I can come up here and say, whoop, lose 20 pounds in 3 weeks without doing a sit-up, for example. Then maybe I'll change this. All I'm doing is typing right now. New year, new you. See how it works. And then maybe I'll come down here and I'll just delete this and then say watch this presentation. All right, let's say I don't want to like this line of text at all, so I just delete it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I could show you here is we have what we call an attribute editor. So let's say I wanted that to be red. I could click on red and hit choose. Okay, and let's say I didn't like this text. We have over 700 fonts built in. So I could come down here and scroll. I mean, they're in alphabetical order. You can see there's tons of them. Let's say I wanted Bungie. And let's say I wanted to make this bigger, but then I wanted this white. Everything I'm doing is just with the click of my mouse. For example, we have text shadows. Watch the white text. You'll see I'm just taking a little bit of a black background shadow, and you see it popping off the page just like that. Let's say I wanted this to be the exact same color as the red. Well, when I click on red, we have an HTML code, so I can just take that HTML code, come down here, hit color, put the HTML code in, and hit choose. So I'm just copying and pasting. Again, there's no technical skill. All I'm doing so far is copying and pasting, clicking the mouse, literally moving stuff around on a slider. There's no HTML. I mean, I showed you an HTML code there, but it's not like you need to understand how codes work. And so it's very easy. So you can actually write the page, change all the colors like I'm doing now, change it to say anything you want it to say. And let me just change this button right now. So for example, I want this background of this button instead of yellow, I want it that same color red. And then it has a yellow background shadow. I'm just going to change that to black and then move this. See how easy that is? Imagine the possibilities that you can do with this. Watch this. Then I'm going to right click here. So you can actually change even the text on the button. Everything is 100% customizable, and then you can have a super hot looking page. Now again, this works with any industry. Again, we have tons of galleries here, cities, men, women, you name it, insurance, legal. I mean, you could go on and on and on. So let's say I wanted to do more of a fitness page instead of weight loss. So I could come over here. We even have a fitness gallery. And let's say I wanted it to look like the weight room. One click of the mouse, bam, changes. And then I could change all the text if I wanted to. So that's pretty cool. So it's literally one click of your mouse, you can build awesome custom pages. You can even do more. See this here, social buttons. You can actually click on our social media button and add your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, Instagram. If you don't have one, you can delete that. Let's say you just wanted to get name and email instead of all this stuff. You can go to a mail campaign, right, or form settings and click on simple. Then you can collect name and email. Or if you just want to make a landing page, you can click none, and that goes away. So that's very, very easy to do. Now, this button, click here, all you would do here is type in the website you want it to go to, yourwebsite.com. And so when they fill out this form and hit that button, they'll go to whatever you type in this box. So that's how easy it is to do that. Well, check this out. We've also let you do video backgrounds. Well, before I do that, you can also click on provide a background image. So if you don't like anything that we have, you can go to Google, click on weight loss, for example, images, and then what I'm going to do is search for our tools. I'm going to look for usage rights labeled for reuse, and look for a weight loss page that you can use for, they have to be, you know, non-copyrighted here. So let me just look. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in fitness. Hold on. See what I find. All right, so let's say I wanted this weights instead. Let me look here. I'm just trying to find the right size image I like. All right, let's just say I like this picture instead. What I'm going to do is just copy the image address, just like this. And I am going to come over to the page. Where is it? Here we go. And hit provide background, hit paste, and 1 second it changes, just like that. So you can also grab images that way and use in the system. But what's really cool here is we've also added a different feature where you can go to marketing resource or video backgrounds. Hold on 1 second. Video backgrounds. We got a lot of videos already loaded up here, but let's say I wanted to do woman sit-ups. So I grab this video and I come over here to the page.
I'm not sure what you meant by that question.
Oops, that was my Alexa. And then I hit the background. Now watch this. I hit save. And you can actually do pages with live video backgrounds as well. So you can do a page that has a static background or a video background page. And we have all kinds of these built in, which are awesome. So let's say if you wanted to do another one, like a woman jogging, for example. I'm kind of showing you the weight loss niche since it's right around the corner here from when I'm doing this video, but you could do the same with travel. money. I mean, we work with every industry. So check this out. I mean, what an awesome page. Okay, you want to talk about getting results, and you can make these pages in literally minutes on the Conversion Pros. We give you unlimited pages too, so we give you unlimited capture pages, unlimited landing pages. Well, let's say you know, you went to YouTube, for example, and on YouTube you wanted a video on um, ab workout. You didn't like any of our videos, and you wanted to get another video here. Okay, so maybe you grab this. You can take any video, come over here where it says background video, and take any YouTube video and just pop it in. Hit save, and then within a second here, you got this video. Now, I don't like videos necessarily with words on it, so I probably wouldn't use this one, but you can just see how the system works. So you can use, I mean, pretty cool video though, in your face while you come to a page like that. But let's say you wanted, let's say this was your video, actually, let's say this was your marketing video and you wanted to build a video capture page. Let me show you how easy that is. So you can click on here, you can click on add, and then you could go find one of our video pages, for example. And we have video pages. We have some with bullet points, some without bullet points. So let's say I like this. Hit start editing now. And let's say I wanted to click background image and I wanted to do the weight room again. Okay, maybe I'm doing another weight loss page here. And I just scroll down and I like this weight room. So I do this. And then you can see that was put behind it. It doesn't look as good though with this big video page. So let me try another one. And that's a fun thing. We give you a gallery so you can come in here and just play and do stuff. I think that one looks a little bit better, yeah, with the weights in the background. Okay, but let's say this was your video talking about your opportunity here. So what we would do is in 1 second, I could take any YouTube video and just go like this. And it automatically loads in the page here. And then you could write, go up here and change all the text that you want. So let's say I want to maybe make this text, maybe make it red again. I like red against black. Hit choose. Remember, you can change the fonts. So if you want to do something cool, you know, let me just scroll down here. There's so many cool fonts that we have, and they make it look really, really different when you go here. I mean, like that there. So watch this. So the sky's the limit on your creativity. Get ripped in 2017. And then you could change this here. And what's cool about this too is watch this. You can change, if you don't like that as a white box, or if you wanted a red box and then you wanted the opacity to come down, you can do it and just really make your page pop. And then again, you can change, let's say I change this text to white, and I wanted to change it. What if I wanted to say get proof or get a free sample? And then I can, what's also cool about this too is you can center your text, you can make it bigger. Again, maybe I want to make this text black to pop, and then maybe I want to do some crazy text again. So I mean, I can just scroll down, find something fun here just to pop off the page. Let me do like gorditas, you know. And again, I can make it smaller so it all fits. And now that blue box is standing out, and I don't want blue. So watch this. I could go and take the blue box, turn it black, just scroll down, make it black, make that cool. And then again, if I want social media on there, if I don't, I can take it away. And if I didn't even want a form on this page, maybe I just wanted to make a button. Maybe this was my landing page. I can come over here, form settings none. Of course, it says fill out the form there, but if I wanted to change it, I'd say click button. And then I have this cool page. So let me just save this page here. Again, whatever website you wanted in there. And then if I went back into the landing pages, it's going to show you where all your pages are. We give you subdomains for them, but I just want to show you what the page looks like. Remember, so you can change all the backgrounds here. You can change all the colors, the opacity, the text, everything that you want to do. You can change. So it's pretty awesome. And let's see here. What else you can do too is if you wanted to, we have videos that are side by side. So let's say you wanted to do basically the same thing, but wanted it to look a bit different. Let me come over here, hit start editing, go to YouTube, copy, hit paste here. And now you have that video, and then the form is right next to it. So instead of the big video above it, now you have this again, picking the background image. You can go into anything here. I think I was in fitness before. Click on fitness. You know, maybe I want this one. And then again, you can make it where it literally pops off the page, right? And I could change all the text and everything it says too, to look just like the other. So it will look like this. I mean, awesome pages that you can make and create. You can also do a couple other things with our pages too. We have advanced settings that allows you to put a tracking pixel in if you want to use a tracking pixel or a tracking code in the header or footer, you can. Terms of service, we give you default. You could write your own or you can turn them off. Same with privacy policy. You can use our default, make a custom one, or turn it off. If you're doing pay-per-click and they require that, you can do that on our pages. Really, the sky's the limit. Super easy to do, no technical skills, awesome pages. It works for any industry, any product, any service, and you can get started on our trial and have some fun playing with these pages. Just wanted to give you a quick overview what you can do with the Conversion Pro.